In this short video, we're going to be looking at how you can use AirServer as a live streaming service. Now, first of all, AirServer is a piece of software that you can download onto your desktop computer, and JTRS can provide schools with subscriptions. When the software is downloaded, AirServer will sit in the background and wait for a smart device to be mirrored to your desktop screen. So let's jump onto my iPad. I'm going to pull down the control panel and I can see screen mirroring here. I'm going to tap on that and then I can choose which device I would like to mirror to. In this case, I would like to mirror to my MacBook Pro. Now, back on the desktop screen, AirServer will launch my iPad on top of that desktop screen. Now from there, I need to click on the screen to open up some of AirServer's preferences, and here we can see a button that says Live. If I tap on that, you'll see that it connects to YouTube. So before you can start streaming, you need to connect to AirServer with your YouTube account. So I tap on Start Streaming, and I then need to jump through some hoops. First of all, putting in my YouTube email address, then confirming that I'm part of an organisation and putting in my password. Once I've done that, I select my account, I allow access to AirServer, and from there I accept the terms and conditions and I've started streaming. Now obviously once you've done that once, you won't need to keep doing that, and at this point I'm now streaming live on YouTube. So I can do anything on my iPad, and any viewers that are watching this on YouTube will be able to see what I'm doing and hear what I'm saying. So there you go. It's as simple as that to use AirServer as a live streaming software.